There's a sacred bond we crave as human beings, a connection that nourishes our souls and fuels our spirits. For a child, that bond with their parents is the foundation upon which their world is built. It's within that space of love, understanding, and acceptance that they blossom and grow into the best versions of themselves. The power of a parent's love and connection is transformative, with the ability to heal wounds, ignite passions, and inspire dreams. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring 10 proven strategies to unlock the extraordinary power of connection with your child. In the tapestry of life, time becomes our most precious commodity. When it comes to our children, dedicating quality time isn't just important, it's essential. Think back to your own childhood. What are some of your fondest memories? Many involve special moments spent with loved ones. Creating those shared experiences is like weaving a golden thread through the fabric of your relationship with your child. It could be as simple as snuggling up with a bedtime story or establishing a cherished weekend tradition. These moments become the building blocks of a strong and resilient bond, creating a sacred space where your child feels seen, heard, and cherished. The gift of quality time nourishes not only their hearts, but your own as well. Communication, the bridge that connects hearts and minds, fostering understanding and empathy. It's the cornerstone of any meaningful relationship, especially within the family unit. In the sacred space of family, open and honest communication is the lifeblood of a thriving relationship. It allows each member to feel valued and heard, creating a nurturing environment. Imagine a world where your child feels safe to express their thoughts and feelings without fear of judgment. This sense of security is essential for their emotional development. It begins with truly listening, not just hearing the words they speak, but tuning into the emotions behind them. This deep listening fosters a sense of validation and respect. When your child knows you're fully present, a profound sense of trust begins to blossom. This trust is the bedrock of a strong, enduring relationship. Encourage them to share their inner world and be vulnerable by sharing your own experiences. This mutual sharing builds a bridge of empathy and understanding. This authenticity creates a deeper level of connection, reminding them that they're not alone in navigating life's complexities. It fosters resilience and mutual support. As you nurture this open dialogue, the bond you share with your child grows stronger, creating a foundation of trust that can weather any storm. This trust is the key to a harmonious and loving family life. There's a universal language that transcends words, the language of affection. A warm embrace, a gentle caress, a tender kiss on the forehead. These simple acts of physical touch convey love, security, and belonging. Think back to your own childhood. Remember the feeling of your parents' arms wrapped around you, a safe haven from the world's worries. These gestures create lasting imprints on a child's heart, shaping their sense of self-worth and their ability to give and receive love. As you witness your child's heart light up with each gesture of love, you'll be reminded that sometimes the most powerful expressions are spoken without a single word. In today's fast-paced world, where every second seems to be filled with endless tasks and responsibilities, the gift of presence has become more precious than ever. It's a rare and valuable commodity. How often do you find yourself multitasking, trying to juggle work, home duties, and social obligations, your attention divided between your phone, your to-do list, and the precious beings in front of you? It's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of daily life and overlook the importance of being truly present. It's crucial to carve out moments, no matter how small, where we can truly be present with our children, giving them our full attention, where our phones are silenced, our minds are clear, and our focus is solely on them. This undivided attention is a powerful way to show love and care. Imagine the message you send, the deep sense of importance you convey when you put away all distractions and give your child your undivided attention. It says, "You are the most important thing to me right now." This simple act can have a lasting impact, whether they're sharing a story about their day, their dreams, or their frustrations. Be fully present in that moment. Listen with your heart and mind. These small acts of presence create a profound sense of connection, a bond that strengthens over time, reminding your child that they are seen, heard, and valued beyond measure. This is the true gift of undivided attention. It's a gift that keeps on giving, nurturing their self-esteem and emotional well-being. Within each child lies a universe of possibilities, a tapestry of unique talents, passions, and dreams waiting to be nurtured. As parents, we have the extraordinary opportunity to be the cheerleaders and mentors of their journeys of self-discovery. Whatever their passions may be, embrace them with open arms, encourage their exploration, provide opportunities for growth, and celebrate their achievements, big and small. Attend their school plays, sporting events, and art exhibitions. Your unwavering support reminds them that their dreams are important and that they have a cheering section in you. It's about providing the fertile ground for their own unique passions to blossom. Life is a collection of moments, some fleeting, some etched into our hearts forever. These moments, whether big or small, shape who we are and how we connect with those around us. Within the tapestry of childhood, it's the special memories, the shared experiences that often shine the brightest. These are the times when bonds are strengthened and love is felt most deeply. Think back to your own childhood. What are some of the moments that bring a smile to your face? Perhaps it's a family tradition or a spontaneous adventure. These are the moments that weave a rich and vibrant tapestry of connection with our children. They are the threads that bind us together. They become the stories we share, the inside jokes that spark laughter, the memories that bring warmth to our hearts, the anchors that ground us in a shared history. Plan family adventures, whether it's a camping trip, a visit to a new city, or simply exploring your own backyard, or a day at the amusement park. These experiences create lasting memories and bring joy to everyone involved. Celebrate milestones and achievements with enthusiasm and pride. Recognize the hard work and dedication that went into each accomplishment. Let them know that you're their biggest cheerleader, that their joys are your joys. Show them that their happiness is your happiness, and that you are always there to support and celebrate with them. Life is a journey of continuous learning, a grand adventure filled with new discoveries and opportunities for growth. As parents, we have the privilege of embarking on this journey alongside our children, fostering a love of learning. Think of yourselves as co-explorers, venturing into the unknown with open minds and curious hearts. Engage in educational activities together, whether it's reading aloud or exploring the wonders of nature. Let your child see that learning is a lifelong pursuit, a source of joy and enrichment. The bonds that are forged when we embrace the world as students together are incredibly powerful. Children are like sponges, absorbing the world around them, observing our actions and internalizing the lessons we teach. As parents, we have a profound responsibility to be the best versions of ourselves, for it's in our everyday lives that we become their most influential role models. Think about the values you hold dear: kindness, empathy, respect, integrity. These qualities become the guiding principles you pass on to your children. It's not about being perfect, but about striving to live authentically, to align our actions with our words. Show them how to navigate challenges with grace, how to own your mistakes, and how to learn and grow from them. Be the role model you want them to have, and you'll empower them to become compassionate, responsible, and ethical human beings. From the moment our children are born, we're driven by an innate desire to protect them. While our love and support are essential, it's equally important to foster their independence. Think of it like this. Imagine a butterfly, its wings still damp and fragile, yearning to take flight. Our role as parents is to provide the safe and nurturing environment for those wings to dry and gain strength. Begin by giving your child age-appropriate choices and responsibilities. Let them make decisions about their day, help with household chores, and solve problems independently. Offer guidance and support, but resist the urge to swoop in and fix everything. Empower them to find their own solutions and develop the confidence to navigate the world with increasing independence. Imagine a home filled with laughter, where warmth and love radiate through every room. This is the power of creating a safe and nurturing environment. It begins with establishing clear boundaries and expectations, providing a framework of consistency and security. But it's not just about rules, it's about creating a space where open communication thrives. Let your home be a haven where hugs are plentiful, where words of encouragement and affirmation are spoken daily. Remember, a safe and nurturing environment isn't built overnight. As you witness them blossom and thrive in this loving embrace, you'll discover the profound truth that a home filled with love and security is the greatest gift you can give. The journey of parenthood is a tapestry woven with threads of joy, laughter, challenges, and triumphs. At the heart of it all lies the unbreakable bond we share with our children, a connection that deepens and evolves with each passing year. Embrace the journey, celebrate the milestones, and cherish the moments, big and small. Within the tapestry of connection, you'll discover the extraordinary power of love, the transformative beauty of family, and the profound joy of witnessing your child blossom into the best version of themselves.